So this is all 1-for-1 private ultrasound knife. It has a handle, then bring two probes. There are 4.5 and 3.0 probes. There's also a pressure detector. We're shooting in the back now. This is the connection of the handle. Press the groove here to align and insert it. Then install the pressure detector. It will be better to turn it around and insert it a little bit. Plug in the power cord again. If you want to open it, it will be open if it is passed. Take a look at the interface. This interface appears. It means that the handle has not been connected to the probe yet. Probe groove aligned with handle here. Gently insert. Then it will display like this. This is normal. If the probe is inserted, it still shows that it was turned on just now. Just check if the back connecting port is loose. Then plug it tighter here too. See if there is any problem. Plug it in and take a look at the first page. The first one is energy. Modulated. We are usually adjust the lowest energy to operate. Then ask the customer how they feel. Then go to tune. The second is a little bit spacing. The third is the length of the energy. This is the number of runs of the probe. 4.5 plugged in now. He will show here. You are using a 4.5 probe. Then the second page. F this is to select the automatic mode. As this is to select manual mode. Wait a minute and I'll tell you the automatic mode. How about manual mode? Well, then what's here is to adjust the rotation amplitude of one shot. Then this is a front degree turned 360 degrees. Then this button is the shutdown and power button. This is the reset key, reset button for probe. That is, it can be reset to the first page after you type it. This is also a reset key. Open. Press the reset button. The probe will rotate and reset to 0 by itself. General customer operations. Just for us. Normally, the front one is better. Press a little bit after it aligns with the number 0. Let's press the ready button again. Then we can apply the gel. It is operated for customers. Be sure to apply more gel. Then put on a condom. Make sure the condom is full of gel, because the gel plays a role in conducting energy. If the gel is not evenly applied, it might be a little hot, so be sure to apply the gel evenly. And then, I'm in manual mode now. This is manual mode. I press it and it's hitting. It works when it flashes. I hit it and it stopped by itself. We have to press it ourselves. Go for a shot. Then automatic mode. That it works by itself. Hit yourself and turn yourself. Watch it spin itself now. I can't move my hands. The probe rotates by itself. And we can also pause in the middle. It flashes when it works. When I pause, its light is always on and doesn't flash. It only flashes when working. This is the automatic mode. You stop yourself after a lap. We'll do it in 3 parts. After the first paragraph, he did the whole thing. Finished the first lap. We'll just go back and play the middle part. It makes a lap and stops. Then we pull it out again. Finish the first paragraph. Maybe the valve mode will feel a little sensitive. Will be a little more exciting. It may be a little hotter than inside. Because there is no pain nerve in it, but there are pain nerves in the valve. It will feel a little deeper than the inside. Before operating for the customer, we'll try it too. Try it on an acrylic sheet. Turn up the energy to hit the acrylic sheet, because it's not skin. It is a harder board, so we turn the energy up and hit to penetrate this board. The gel should be spread evenly and there should be no air. Try it out. We pump out energy like this, line by line. So when we quit in 3 segments, we are based on this section. Go back for such a long section. After the first lap, take a step back. It is returned according to the scale of 25. After all 3 segments are played, we take the probe off. We're going to put it on hold. Just shake it down gently. The hand is holding here. Don't hold this handle. Hold this. Just unscrew it lightly. Shake it. Don't pull it straight like this. It might be a little hard to take it off straight out. Shake it down gently like this. Then after finishing the 4.5 probe, do 3.0. Both probes must be typed again. It's all the same, divided into 3 sections. But the condom we just used, it cannot be reused. To keep sterile, then we're going to reapply the gel. Then get a new condom in. The process is the same. That's a reset. After resetting, wait for it to stop. After reset stop, we hit the ready button. Zero scale. Then prepare to play the same. It also plays 3 laps automatically. The process is like this. All pressure detectors. Before the operation. Page 3 is the digital display of the pressure gauge. The function of the pressure detector is to put on a condom, then put it in the vagina. Put it in the vagina for the customer to clamp. Clamp yourself. You see, if it clamps itself, it will have numbers in a while. Or maybe you can take a picture like this and give it to the client before operation. If it's already clamped, then you can take a picture. All this airbag here, you can press it lightly like this. Fix it. The numbers can be fixed. We can let go, and that's how it's fixed. Then go to operate. After operating the 2 probes, then we can operate the 3rd page. We reset the number before it operates to 0. After returning to 0, you need to do monitoring after the operation. Do it once before the operation. Do it once after the operation. There must be a deviation between the two numbers. It means that an effect has been made. What's the effect? It is detected by this pressure detector. Then before we operate, the first 3 days and the last 3 days of the menstrual period, we don't do it for her. Definitely not during pregnancy. That male gynecological disease, it can be operated. But the moderate and severe ones, we'd better not operate it for her first. Let her go to the hospital for anti-inflammatory first, and then come back to do it. The kind of cesarean section can be operated after 3 months, but it will take 6 months for her to give birth naturally. After we finish the operation, you can have the same room in 3 to 7 days. She had a positive reaction. Some customers may finish. There will be multiple attempts to go to the toilet. Then yellow water may flow, and clear water. These are all normal reactions, because she has to metabolize it herself. That's a normal reaction.